Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing how to get free Gemini Pro subscription without any cost. So without wasting any time, let's get the video started. So very first you just have to open your Chrome browser, and here you have to write Gemini for students and click enter. Here you will find Gemini for students, your AI study buddy. Click here and click on get offer, and here you will be seeing this verify eligibility. You have to click on that. After clicking on verify eligibility, you will come to this page. Here you have to enter your institute name. So I am writing IIM Jammu, and you will be finding your institute name in the drop down list, and here you have to select IIM Jammu. I am selecting, and here your first name, and then here your last name, and here you have to just choose your date of birth. First you have to choose your birth month, then the day and the year. So here you have to write your institute mail ID provided by your institute, and will be having your institute domain. So if you don't have that sort of email ID, so don't be worried, I'll be making a new video on that as well. So here I'm writing my institute mail ID and click on verify student status. So after clicking verify student status, it will be showing like this, and then you have to click on sign into your school. Here you have to just sign in with your institute mail ID, and it will be redirecting you to the new login page. Here you just have to write your institute mail ID. I am writing my institute mail ID, and then you have to click next. Here you have to write your password for the institute mail ID, and then click sign in. Then click next. So here it will show your institute name, and it will take some time to load the page. So here you have to give the permission, so click on OK button. Then you will come to this page, and here you just have to click on accept button to give the permission, and it will show like this to verify the status, and yes, you have been verified. So your next step is to click on get Google AI Pro. Then you have to click on get student offer, and it will show a pop-up like this for the subscription. Here you just have to click on subscribe button, so it will show the pop-up like this. So you just have to scan the QR from any payment app like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, any sort of payment app. You don't have to pay anything, you just have to scan and give the permission of auto pay after 1 year when it will come to the renewal time. So you just have to give the permission, you don't have to pay anything, just mind this. So what it will show after scanning the QR, I am just attaching the video for the same. So after the successful payment setup, it will show like this, and it will show subscribed. So congratulations, you get the Gemini Pro subscription, and click on get to Gemini and enjoy your Gemini Pro. Let's go. So if you have any doubt at any point of time, at any step, just comment down, I'll solve all of your queries. And another thing, after getting subscribed the Gemini Pro, you just have to unsubscribe that payment setup. Okay, so let's go to that page. So you just have to open your Play Store. Here you have to click on your profile photo, and here you have to click on payment and subscriptions, then subscriptions, then click on Google One, and here you will find cancel subscription button. You have to click on that and click on any of the issue, cost related issue, and cancel subscription. So it will not charge any single penny from you. So this is very important step, don't forget to unsubscribe this. So, congratulations, you got the free Gemini Pro subscription. So, enjoy your next 1 year. Thank you so much. Bye bye. If you have any query, just comment down. I'll answer all of your query. Thank you so much. Bye bye.